everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome to Talk in Japan tour. Today we are at the Meguro Station, and today we are going to have a look at one of the most famous hotel in Tokyo, which is called Gajoen Hotel. It's full of the Japanese style elements inside the hotel, and it's a very famous spot in Tokyo to hold the wedding ceremony and exhibitions. Let's go have a look.
Okay, let's go, Dina.
Run, run, run. Hi everyone, so this is the feature of Gajoen Hotel. As you can see, so there's all of the pictures, the wall pictures is the features, and even though you don't know any pictures, if you come here, you can know the beauty of Japan by the special wall pictures. Let's take a look.
Foodie